Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you recover any chats that were deleted on from your Instagram. So usually sometimes you could get your account hacked, and that could lead to you not being able to see any of your messages. Now right before I made this video, I actually deleted this chat and I'm unable to see any messages that were sent here. So like for example, if I right now there's no chat, but if there was a hi, and let's suppose any person who was using your account deleted the chats, he could have sent anything and you want to know what was done, all you need to do is you need to download your data from Instagram. So you have to request it. It takes a while depending upon how large your account is. So this is like a really small account, that is why the procedure will be small. It will take less time, and you can only do so in once every 14 days. So press on those three bars, press on your activity. We're going to scroll down and find download your information, and now you can send press any link. And right now I'm not gonna do that because I already did it and it will again take some time. So I'll show you how this works. Basically, you receive an email from Instagram and they say here's the file you requested. You can press on the download and it's gonna take you to the browser where you will be asked to log in. Make sure you're already logged in. If not, you will be logging in here again. So once you log in, it's gonna give you that file. Right now, once you do that, you can press the download information and it will be downloaded. Since I already downloaded it, it will be available in my files. So now you'll be needing a zip extractor, like for example any kind of application that is able to extract zip files, because this file that you received will be in a .zip format. So I'm gonna open that, and this is the file that we just downloaded, and we're gonna press files. Sorry, we're gonna browse our files. Wait, what's going on? Sorry about this ad. Okay, now this is the file that we want to extracted, and now we have our information here, and we're gonna be searching for messages, and then we go to chats.html. Now these are the chats that I sent to him, and you guys can see that these chats are here, and this was actually chats from before, and this was like when I requested this information in the first place. So you can see that the chats are here even though they're not available on the Instagram app. But that is how you can chat the chats that were deleted. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.